So I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to unbox the Wittner chinrest and assembly it. So this is the Kinnhalter. If I pronounce it wrong, please correct me. So this one comes with a screwdriver. This is a center mount, and then the piece, and then the legs. And so the way to assemble this is, it's actually super simple. Like the instruction is super vague right here, but it's just, you just need to take this off. If I can take it off. Okay. So once you have it there, that go into here. That's it. And then you just using the screw to tighten it to the violin. So easy.